Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brittany, and if this is your first time stumbling across one of my videos, I do focus on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if that seems like something that you may be interested in, please think about clicking on that subscribe button if you enjoy the content, of course. Also, if you're already a subscriber, go ahead and click on that notification bell. I upload twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays, and sometimes I'll do a bonus video on Sundays, so I don't want you to miss any of them. Alright guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing this makeup look, you guys. This is kind of like a play on my signature makeup look, which I already have a video on, but this time I'm going to be creating my signature look with Dollar General products. All of the products that I am using today are by Believe Beauty, which is a Dollar General brand, and they are all $5 or under and amazing quality. I mean, look at this face, right? Would you know that all of these products that I used today were under $5? I don't think so. Even the lashes, guys. So if you are interested in seeing this look, then stick around. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get started. First off, I'm going to be using the Believe Beauty All Over Glow Skin Illuminator. Now, I've never used one of these, but I really enjoyed how it made my skin glow. And this is in the color Golden Glow. So I'm just going to put that on the high points before we go into the foundation. Next up, I'm going to be using the Believe Beauty Skin Finish Foundation. This is a medium to full coverage foundation from Believe Beauty. You guys, this foundation looks beautiful on, and this is in the shade Hazelnut. It is really a good color for me. It looks a little light here, but once it kind of dries down, you can tell that it is the perfect match. Now it's time to conceal. I'm gonna go in with the Believe Beauty You're Covered Liquid Concealer, and this is in the shade Beige. Now it is pretty light, so I do use this sparingly, just in those like deeper set points under my eyes to make sure that those are pulled forward so that, you know, it doesn't look like I have bags. This is a very thin consistency, so I do like to let this sit for about 30 seconds or so before I start to blend it in with my beauty blender. Now that I have blended in my concealer, I'm going to go in with the Matte Blur Loose Powder, and this is in medium deep. This does come in 3 different colors, but you guys, I was really impressed with how smooth this powder was. I had no creasing throughout the day. I filmed 3 videos on this day, and my makeup really did hold up well, so this is a really nice powder. Now it's time to move on to the eyes. I'm going to be using the Glimmer Pot Gel to Powder eyeshadow. This is in the shade Pink Quartz, and I'm just going to put that in the inner corner. You guys, if you've watched my signature makeup look, you know I only go halfway in, and I go above my crease because I have slightly hooded lids, so this is a way that I can wear eyeshadow and you can still see it. But I really do like the formulation of this particular eyeshadow. It is like a gel, kind of, I don't know, bouncy, spongy material or consistency. It's kind of similar to the ColourPop eyeshadows if you're familiar with those. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that in, and then we'll go ahead and move on to the next step. Now it's time to just go in with a regular brown eyeshadow. I like to use a matte shade, and it doesn't matter what kind it is. It's basically just to merge the gap between the shimmer shade and your skin, so it's just not skin there. You can use a shimmer shade if you want to, but I go for a matte shade because, again, it's pretty insignificant. It just adds a bit of a shadow and a little bit of depth. Now let's move on to the brows. Now this product, you guys, I was really impressed with. I'm not really one to use an eyebrow gel, but this is the Believe Beauty eyebrow gel in the color dark brown. And I love the way that it kept my brow hairs up. I naturally have dark brows anyway, so I don't need much. But this gave me like that laminated effect or lamination effect that everyone is going for, and I really enjoyed this. Only $5, like I'm going to be incorporating this into my everyday routine. Now it's just time to use a dark black liner under the eye, and this is another one of my favorites, you guys, because it is a retractable pencil. This is in the shade Caviar, and I cannot believe how dark it is for it to be a retractable pencil. That's usually not the case with these, but this one was amazing, so creamy, and it did not tug on my eye. So now I'm just going to wipe away all of the powder that was underneath my eye, and as you can see, it looks really smooth and it's just really nice. I'm impressed with this powder. Now I'm going to go in with my contour palette. Now this is from Black Radiance. You can pick this up at the Dollar General as well, but it's not Believe Beauty, but I cannot go without this contour palette, and this is in the shade medium to dark. I use the dark brown in this palette, and it is my holy grail. I use this every single day, and it is amazing. Please pick this up. I also like to lightly contour my nose as well, and I just make sure that I go all the way up to my brow just to create a seamless look. And now it is time to highlight. You guys, I am using the Radiant Finish highlighter in Pink Pearls, and the one thing that I love about this highlighter, and any highlighter that I go for, I like a glowy highlight if I'm going to use one, not something that's too chunky with glitter, and this one is really good, so I like this one a lot. Guys, I was not ready for this one. This is the Makeup Perfecting Setting Spray. Look at this atomizer. It is the finest mist I've ever seen in my entire life. You can also use this before your makeup or to set your makeup, so let me just tell you, I love this. Okay, moving on to mascara. I'm using the High Drama Fiber Mascara in the color Intense Black, and it was really good. I like the wand on this one because it's small enough to get those bottom lashes, and it also defined pretty well on top while giving a little bit of volume, but I'm going to add some lashes and just wait on them. Okay guys, so here are the lashes that I'm going to be using. These are the Believe Beauty Glamorous Finish False Lashes. They do have glue included, but I didn't use the glue. Now, these lashes are very natural, at least for me, for every day. You guys know I tend to go for more of a dramatic lash, but you guys, these are the most comfortable lashes. I literally felt like I had nothing on. I did not have to cut these to size, which I usually do with other lashes. And you can just see how natural they look, you guys. Like, they're not heavy. Highly recommend these. Perfect for every single day. See how natural and gorgeous they look? I love them. Okay, now we're going to move on to the inner tear ducts. I'm just going to use a shimmer shade out of the Love Struck eyeshadow palette. This palette is so beautiful, but I did not go with these tones this time, but I may try this next time. Now I'm going to go in with a lip liner, and this is the Long Lasting Lip Liner in the color Almost Rose, because I'm going to go for like a peachy pink kind of neutral lip, and you guys will see that. Okay, so here is the liquid lipstick. Love the formulation of these. These are the Velvet Matte Liquid Lipsticks, and this is in the color Foxy. It looks really light here, as you can see. But you guys, once blended in, it looks so pretty. I know, it's scary. I know. So now I'm going to top it all off with the lip gloss. And their lip glosses are one of my favorites. This is the Lustrous Shine Lip Gloss in Juneberry. And it is so pretty, you guys. So pretty. Okay, y'all, so here is my final look, and I am just so impressed with these makeup products. As you can see, I don't look ashy, and everything was very affordable. I mean, you don't have to spend an arm and a leg to look good. I'm just saying. Alright guys, so that is the end of this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and more importantly, I hope you found it helpful. I was really excited to bring you guys this look because, of course, I love it. It's my signature makeup look, but it's really affordable, and more importantly, the products perform well. So you can find all of these products over at your local Dollar General. You can even save more, which, I mean, how much more do you need to save? But you can save more by using the DG coupons. So I will have everything linked in the description box below for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will talk to you on my next video. Bye, guys.